Hi guys. So whenever you want to iterate over a list and also keep a count, use enumerate function. Just don't do that manually. So I've seen in production level code that people are doing the counter thing manually. For example, they do like that. They create a counter variable and then they will loop through the iterator. In my case, it is the fruits list. I will print the counter and also the current value, that is fruit. And after that, you have to manually increment the counter every time. I will run the code. So this is the output. So there's another workaround for that. If you don't want to manually increment the counter every time, there is a ranged based for loop for I in range. I will print the index I and then I will print the value at the index I. So this is also another way that will do the same work, but this is not Pythonic way. So the Pythonic way of keeping the counter and also the value is using the enumerate function. I will show you that. For I and the fruit. Now I will use the enumerate function. In this I will pass the iterator, which is fruits. I will print I. I will run the code. So this is the output. So this is how you will keep the track of the counter and also the value. So this will return two things, the index and the current value. So in case you do not want to start with 0, this function got you covered. You can also mention the start value. So I will keep it as 1. So now the index has started from 1. So this is it guys. I hope you like this short tutorial and I will see you in the next video.